Hi, I'm Marcia Ackerman. I am the Gourmet Produce Manager at Ashcombe Farm and Greenhouses. Today we are making icebox pickles. To make the icebox pickles, it requires 6 cups of cucumbers. I am using a pickling cucumber, which is a small, dense cucumber. You just slice them. You can do them as thin or as thick as you like. I like them fairly thin so the brine can absorb into the pickle easier. So you just slice them up, and the bread and butter takes 6 cups of pickles, and it takes 1 cup of onions. So I just use, it takes about half of a large onion to get a cup. And I just cut them a slice, cut it in half, and kind of mix it up. The next step of making the icebox pickles is making the brine. For the bread and butter, it takes 3 cups of white vinegar, 3 cups of white sugar, and 1 package of the seasoning mixes. Stir it up well. The next step is assembling it. You need a gallon jug or crock of some sort. You just layer up your cucumbers and onions. Pour your brine mixture over. If your sugar is not quite dissolving, you can just warm up your vinegar a little bit in the microwave to help dissolve it. You just pour it over top of your mixture of vegetables. If you need a little extra, you can put up to 1 cup of water in it. You just put a lid on it. I just shake it, and you put it in the refrigerator. Directions say for 24 hours. I personally prefer 48 hours. 2 days gives it a little nicer flavor, especially when you're working with the dill pickle. I just think it's a much stronger, flavorful pickle. So once you have that sitting in the refrigerator, then your finished product will look like this. The pickles are ready to go on a sandwich or a side. They're great for picnics. We carry 3 varieties of the icebox pickles, which are made by Herbs for Healthy Living, which is a Pennsylvania company. The bread and butter pickles, which is what we made today. We also carry the dill pickle flavor, and that has a little bit of water, less sugar, and vinegar. The next variety we carry is a hot pickle, and if you like cauliflower with carrots, this is an excellent mix to mix up your vegetables if you like a little bit of that hotter spice. The dill pickle is good for 6 to 8 weeks in the refrigerator. The bread and butter will stay good in the refrigerator for up to 3 months. To easily make your own pickles, stop by Ashcomb's today.